Hi, I'm Rebecca Welch. I'm a Food and Safety Officer for COVID-19 within the Food and Safety team of Waste Fleet and Public Protection for North Lincolnshire Council. I started with the council back in 2017. Initially I joined as I'd heard that once you're in, and the North Lincolnshire Council is a career for life. I joined at the library service doing customer service work, and then I came across to Waste Fleet and Public Protection in 2018 when I was a licensing assistant. I was given the opportunity when I was an assistant to do an apprenticeship, which was a level 4 regulatory compliance officer apprenticeship. It would be for around 20 months and a lot of commitment was involved, and I would do this alongside my current full-time role of a licensing assistant. I was really eager to do this because I wanted to progress and be an officer of the council. I loved my job, I enjoyed processing and issuing licensing, but I wanted to be out there and doing things and really involved within the county. Whereas I was mainly working within Church Warehouse, I was doing some taxi testing, but I was really interested in going out into the county and meeting people, meeting the businesses. So I really jumped to this opportunity for the apprenticeship. It has really turned my career around. Within a short while of doing the apprenticeship, I was put onto a NEBOSH course at the local college, and I did a National General Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety, which I successfully achieved. And I moved through from licensing into the food and safety team and began alongside my apprenticeship doing accident investigations. I became involved in the safety of the local sports ground. I was going out into businesses where we'd had complaints if there was any health and safety issues. And then through my apprenticeship I'd also moved into, for a short time, environmental health and housing, and again had the opportunity to go out and watch officers do housing inspections and waste accumulations and deal with complaints of fly tipping and noise nuisance. Nearing the end of my apprenticeship I've come back to food safety, and I'm now doing COVID compliance, so I'm going out into businesses making sure that we're following the COVID restrictions and regulations, we're doing social distancing, we're encouraging safety amongst our county. You know, we want to support these businesses. It's important that we get our economy up and running, and you know, it's really important that I play a part in that. In terms of career progression at the council, you know, I'd always heard that the world's your oyster, and it is. You know, this apprenticeship really opened the door for me. I did my apprenticeship, I went on to do an NEBOSH course. There's online learning that you can do. I'm about to do an investigative skills course as well through the council. And it's really helped me with my future career. I enjoy doing what I do. I like being an authorised officer now, and I look back and see how far I've come. I joined the council as a customer service assistant with the library, and I've now moved through, enabling me to be an enforcement officer, to go out there and ensure that, you know, these businesses are following the regulations and we can support them to be the best business they can be, but to keep our county safe and to ensure these businesses are investing and are staying here, and people are going out into the town centre and making sure that yes, we're safe, but that we're building a really great county as well. The apprenticeship opened so many doors for me. I've also been involved within emergency planning committee for the council, so if there's any floods or anything like that has happened as an emergency, I've been involved with that. I wouldn't have done that before, as I didn't have the confidence, and the apprenticeship really helped to bring out those skills in me that I didn't realise that I had. I'm more assertive than I thought I was, which you need to be as an officer, and it's really helped to draw those skills out. And I didn't think at this age I would be once again going back into education, and I've really enjoyed it, and the support from the council has been constant. You know, the feedback that I get from assignments or wanting to shadow people, and I've worked with so many different people and met so many different people, you know, not just colleagues, higher management. I've got a relationship with them now as well. So, you know, the apprenticeship has been the highlight of my career. It's opened so many doors, allowed me to do my NEBOSH, which I'm thrilled about. I've discovered a passion for health and safety. I love a risk assessment, really sad to say, but I'm so passionate about it, and the council has really helped draw that out of me. And you know, if you'd have asked me 10 years ago, what do you want to do in your life, I wouldn't have been so sure. But now I can say I'm a food and safety officer for North Lincolnshire Council, and I'm really proud of that.